Have you ever wondered why so many people are investing in Bitcoin? Why is it that this digital currency has caught the world's attention? Bitcoin, the star of cryptocurrencies, has become a global sensation. But there's more than just hype. Many are drawn to Bitcoin's impressive profit potential. In 2021 alone, Bitcoin reached a cycle peak of around 70K, showcasing its remarkable growth potential. Not just that, it provides a unique advantage. You don't need to buy an entire Bitcoin. You can merely acquire a fraction of it, reducing the barrier to entry and making it accessible for everyone. Many investors adopt the dollar-cost averaging strategy, investing a fixed amount at regular intervals, reducing the effect of volatility and spreading the risk over time. Beyond such investment strategies, Bitcoin offers promising benefits like acting as a hedge against inflation, providing portfolio diversification, and introducing a revolutionary technology. Not to mention, it promises financial inclusion to those left out by traditional banking systems. So let's dive in and demystify the reasons behind the Bitcoin buzz. First off, Bitcoin acts as a hedge against inflation. Now, inflation is like that uninvited guest who eats up all your chips at a party. It nibbles away at the purchasing power of traditional currencies, like a hungry kangaroo in your garden, leaving you with less bang for your buck. On the other hand, Bitcoin, with its limited supply, is like that rare bottle of Australian Shiraz you've been saving for special occasions. There are only so many bottles out there, and that scarcity is what gives it value. It's not affected by inflation because, well, you can't just make more of it on a whim. So while your dollars may be losing value faster than a shrimp loses its sizzle on the barbie, Bitcoin's value has the potential to grow or at least stay steady. It's like having a secret stash of chips that the uninvited guest can't find. In the face of inflation, Bitcoin stands its ground. Secondly, Bitcoin offers an avenue for diversification and an astounding potential for high returns. Now, let's delve deeper into this high return potential. Looking at Bitcoin's previous cycles, we see a heart-stopping roller coaster of spikes and dips. Yet each of those peaks soars higher than the last. In the 2017 cycle, for instance, Bitcoin's value skyrocketed from around $1,000 to nearly $20,000. That is a 20x return. But this wasn't the end of the journey. In 2021, Bitcoin scaled extraordinary heights, reaching a peak of approximately $70,000 from the cycle low of around $4,000, which is almost a 17x return in just 1.5 years. Furthermore, investing in Bitcoin doesn't mean you have to buy a unit. The beauty of this digital asset is that you can purchase a fraction of it. This allows for more flexibility and access, even for those with a modest budget. You can start small and gradually build your Bitcoin holdings. This brings us to the strategy of dollar-cost averaging. This approach involves regularly buying a fixed dollar amount of Bitcoin, regardless of its price. This method can help to smooth out the volatility, reducing the risk of making a large investment at an inopportune time. Over time, this strategy can potentially enhance your returns, making Bitcoin a promising addition to your investment portfolio. Adding Bitcoin to your portfolio isn't just an investment in a digital currency, it's investing in a new asset class that can diversify risk and boost returns. With Bitcoin, your portfolio could see the rise of a new star player. Moreover, Bitcoin represents a new technology that's changing the world and promoting financial inclusion. It's a bit like the invention of the wheel, only this wheel doesn't just get you from point A to B, it also pays for your coffee when you get there. Quite handy, wouldn't you say? Now, let's talk about blockchain, Bitcoin's underlying technology. This isn't just a flashy buzzword that tech nerds love to throw around. Blockchain is a decentralized, transparent, and secure way of recording transactions. It's like a public ledger that everyone can see but no one can tamper with. Imagine a world where you don't have to worry about hidden fees or shady deals. That's the power of blockchain. But here's where it gets really exciting. Bitcoin isn't just a cool new gadget for the tech-savvy. It's a tool for financial inclusion. Think about places where traditional banking is as rare as a kangaroo in Antarctica. In these areas, Bitcoin can provide a lifeline, a way to participate in the global economy without the need for brick-and-mortar banks. For instance, take a look at some remote regions in Africa or Asia. In these places, a bank branch might be hundreds of miles away. but a mobile phone with internet connection is within reach. And with that phone, Bitcoin becomes an accessible financial service. With Bitcoin, financial boundaries are being redefined. It's not just about making money, it's about making a difference. That's the real beauty of this technological revolution. So, what does this all boil down to? Well, let's take a quick jog down memory lane. Bitcoin, this intriguing world of digital currency, serves as a fantastic hedge against inflation. It's like that superhero cape you always wanted as a kid, protecting your hard-earned money from the evil villains of economic downturns. Then we have the enticing allure of diversification and the potential for high returns. Investing in Bitcoin is like adding a spicy twist to your traditional investment stew, giving it that extra zing and potential for a flavorful payoff. Beyond that, Bitcoin is a front-row ticket to the technological revolution. It's like being part of the first moon landing, but in the world of finance. Plus, with Bitcoin, we're stepping into a realm of financial inclusion, bringing banking services to the farthest corners of the world. If you found this video helpful and want to see more valuable content like this, please consider giving us a thumbs up and hitting that subscribe button below. By subscribing, you'll stay updated with our latest videos and join our growing community of savvy viewers. Don't miss out.